Hello folks, this is a little instructional video on inspiration. Well, I like to do diagrams. If you double click on it, what you will see immediately will be your main idea. Okay, so in your main idea, you may type Louisiana. Okay, and let's go to libraries, basic, and go to geography, and let's go to states, and sure enough, this is Louisiana. If you click on it, it will immediately turn into the map of Louisiana. You can make it larger, you can make it, if you click on it, you can make it larger, you can make it smaller, it's up to you. Now, let me stretch a little bit more this, and suppose you want to have an you can put this tool anywhere you want. Okay, so Louisiana is known for its culture, for its nature, for its history, for its food and fun. So these are subcategories. So if you want to, let's say, start categories of culture, you just have to click, and you can add a picture, or you simply add this a shape and write culture. Now, to connect Louisiana with this idea of culture, actually I have culture. What you do, you click on the diamond, click within the diamond, and you draw this line. So you can put this further away, and you can even write something within this space holder, like known for a rich culture, but you can omit articles here. A rich culture. Okay, and sure enough, you can add anything to that. It's, of course, Louisiana is a birthplace of jazz. So what you do, you just click on this and go to fun, and you will see holidays. You can see all kinds of things, but I want to have something like music. So it probably is, yes, if you go to music, you will go to literature and arts, and go to music, and all you have to do is just to click anywhere and then select your instrument. And sure enough, I think saxophone will represent jazz. You can type here jazz. This is one. Actually, this probably will be the subcategory of music, and if we just click and select this musical key, and you can say music. Now you connect this to music, and again, yes, and then you connect music to jazz, and sure enough, there is Zydeco, and there is Cajun. So we can type Cajun here. And we can carry on doing this, including the arts, the literature of Louisiana, food and fun. If you cannot find crawfish probably here there is always a search, and you can type here, you can say, let's say rice, rice, okay, price is here, and let's go, and here we can have some pictures of rice, and you can do lobster, okay, and there will be a lobster that will represent Louisiana crawfish industry and so on. Now, what if you don't have a picture in the library? That's fine. You can find animated crawfish in Google if you type in animated crawfish GIFs. So you go to visit image, and you right click, and you download, save image as, and it goes to your documents, and then you go back to your inspiration, but here what you have to do here, there is no insert. It doesn't have this special indication or toolbar of to insert, but you can go to edit, and you go to insert graphic, and I just save this little crawfish in my folder. Yes, here it is. I insert it, and here we are. This is an animated crawfish. We can remove this one, and that crawfish will represent the food of Louisiana. That's what we eat on a day-to-day basis. Now, like I said, we can continue building our categories, and we can do people, for example, here, and we just people of Louisiana. We can have something generic like this, because we are always happy. Louisiana is the happiest state. So, and we can connect it, and let's say people, and we can add lots of people who made Louisiana famous, like, for example, Louis Armstrong, or James Lee Burke, and so on. Now, if you want to, and you can make changes, that's so easy. It's such a great program. Everyone loves it. Now, suppose you want to have it in your Microsoft Word document. That is very easy. What you do, you select all and copy. And you go to either your Microsoft Office, to Microsoft Word, or your PowerPoint, whatever you think is good, and you can put it there. Just click and paste, and voila, we have this. And we can shrink it because it's pasted like a picture. Unfortunately, the crawfish will not move, but that's all right. It's not so important after all. So this is how you can add a lot of great flowcharts and interesting taxonomies into your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, because the same applies to PowerPoint. So I hope this helps, and I'm sure I will get a lot of great projects. This is, I just showed you the ABCs. You can go and have much more. For example, you can insert a movie, but you have to save a movie first, and then it will play in this environment. Thank you, bye.